So I'm about to add this big old green bird wrasse to my big 370-gallon CADE Aquarium. I maybe regret it later because I don't know how aggressive he'll get, and have him dipped in a little bit of like bacteria medicine in case, you know, it kills anything off of him that he could bring in. Not like parasite wise, but like, you know, if he had any fights or anything, clean his wound before I put him in the tank, you know, get him nice and healthy. Because I have copper in the tank he's gonna go in, so I don't gotta worry about ick and stuff. So I'm gonna throw him in there though. Hopefully he won't regret it later. Let's put him in though. So here we got my big ass CADE Aquarium. Oh, it's gonna look awesome when I put him in here. Got Heniochus, Vlamingi tang, sailfin tang, 6-bar angel, which is my favorite. Well, maybe the Vlamingi is, honestly, I don't know. It's kind of hard to pick. Did have a chocolate tang that kind of passed away a couple days ago. It's kind of sad, but it happens. Cool blue jaw trigger. And yeah, we're just getting started with this tank. Gotta do a water change on it. I look at them, they're already schooling together, best friends, but now we're gonna add this dude. So let's see how he does. Add some green to the tank. There's a lot of black and white right now. Cool thing about my CADE, it's got these big ass sliding lids that I could push. It's got this cool glass panel around all sides so the fish won't jump out. Basically, I'm gonna throw the dude up on this side. Got my big telescopic net. Go ahead and grab them. Nice and easy. Here we go. And there he is. So it's gonna take some time for him to acclimate for sure, because number one, he's a wrasse and they're kind of shy to begin with. But I'm sure he'll be okay in here. He's really cool. It's got that birditude, so he's gonna be a tough dude. And we'll see how he does. I'll make another video as soon as he gets situated. See you guys on the next video. Eastside Fish Guy out.